feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living.
Hey guys, the aquaponics is in a little bit of shambles, and I'll show you why. I've already done it, but there was a hole here, and I watched a few YouTube videos, you know, that's where I go for information, and I figured out that you can plastic weld your hole shut. You gotta talk a little louder, but all I did was I just went around, started heating up the external area, you know, just moving, keeping from getting too hot in one position. Like this, and it slowly started just forming around this PVC cap that I put there. Just keep it from catching on fire. And that PVC cap catch on really quick. On the inside, let's see if y'all are seeing that. Yeah, I just took a piece of thin plastic and I just kind of melted it over so that it was covering it all. Like this. Just like that. As a final step, I'm going to silicone around. This is just about impossible to do with one hand, so let me silicone some and I'll let you see the finished product. This is what I tried to use last time, just a hunk mass of a couple of tubes of silicone. It just formed to, you can see where the hole was, just formed to it, and for, I guess the oil and the plastic just let it come free. It lasted about a year. Well, this should be permanent though. Alright, I got a nice little layer of silicone all around there, so that should be good and sealed. And on the outside, got a nice little silicone wrap around all of it. We'll come back tomorrow and see if it'll hold water. Alright guys, I leveled it out, filled it full of water, and there is no water leaking. The silicone didn't work out. It was an old tube and it just didn't dry, so I just wiped it off the best I could. Let me show you the inside of the tank. Alright, that's the inside. I know the water's a little cloudy, but it works. I know this, when I see a cracked IBC that's a cheaper price and I need an extra tank, I'm going to be grabbing it up. Alright guys, I hope this helps. Ani Ove Ocho means I love you in Hebrew. Later.
Living the way you meant for me to live is what I strive to do every day. As I live off the land, lead me at your pace. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Help me to feed all the hungry. Use me, Lord, to ease their misery. From all this worldly pain and captivity, for you, Lord, I'll go for green living. I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go